Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My dear students of class 8th, Government UPS check order. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is from your subject mathematics. The name of the topic is prime numbers and composite numbers. Dear students, prime numbers play an important role in the field of mathematics. First of all, I will write here the definition of prime numbers. Look here that those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Dear students, the numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, they are called prime numbers. It means that prime numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. These are some examples of prime numbers. Here we see that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So the lowest and the first prime number, that is 2. Also we can say that 2 is the only even number which is also a prime number. Then the next is 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Right? Now composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. For example, we write here 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on. These are the examples of composite numbers. Here we see that if we write 7 here, the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. That means 1 into 7 is equal to 7 and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. But if we write here 8, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These numbers can divide 8. So we can say here that 8 can be written as 8 is equal to 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 4 into 2 and 8 into 1. So we see here that it has more than two factors. Similarly, if we write here 11, which is a prime number, it has only two factors, that is 1 and 11. Or we can say that 11 can be written as 1 into 11 and 11 into 1, only these two factors. So 11 can be said as it is a prime number. But if we write here 12, 12 is a composite number because 12 has so many factors. We can say that 12 can be written as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2 and 12 into 1. So there we look here that there are so many factors of 12. So it is called a composite number. Okay? So the dear students, here the topic today was prime numbers and composite numbers. I will repeat here again that prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, then that is 1 and the number itself. It means that they can divide, they are divisible by 1 and the number itself, so they are called prime numbers. and the lowest prime number is 2, which is also an even number, and the rest numbers are all odd numbers. But all odd numbers are not prime numbers, because if you write here 15, 15 is an odd number, but it is also a prime number. 15 is equal to 1 into 15, 3 into 5, 5 into 3, 15 into 1. So they have so many factors, or we can say that it has more than 2 factors, so it is a prime number also. This was the topic of today of my lesson. Hope that you should have understand fully this topic today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.